The world is slowly crawling out of the pandemic and starting to get back on its feet. And that means there are plenty of opportunities for those with the right ideas. But what are the best business ideas for the next 30 years? To help you answer this question, we've compiled a list of 50 different business ideas that we think have potential. Number 1. Online influencer service. Number 2. Renewable and clean energy supplies. Number 3. Sell your merchandise on Amazon. Number 4. Become a business plan writer. Number 5. Search engine evaluator. Number 6. Online fitness coach. Number 7. Data crunching business. Number 8. 3D printing shop. Number 9. Vertical farming. Number 10. Antiques renovation. Number 11. Short-term rental manager. Number 12. Outsourcing business. Number 13. Sell your online courses. Number 14. Develop WordPress themes. Number 15. Hospital janitorial agency. Number 16. On-demand printing business. Number 17. Online proofreader. Number 18. Become a massage therapist. Number 19. Wind energy installation. Number 20. Wellness and natural health. Number 21. Co-working space business. Number 22. Start ethical hacking business. Number 23. Domain flipping business. Number 24. Podcasting. Number 25. Online translation business. Number 26. Create and sell digital assets. Number 27. Online tutoring business. Number 28. Organic farming business. Number 29. Home solar energy setup company. Number 30. Graphic designing business. Number 31. Body part making business. Number 32. Holographic theater. Number 33. iOS development business. Number 34. Bottled air company. Number 35. Community generator. Number 36. Biofuel production business. Number 37. Online recruitment business. Number 38. Social media marketing. Number 39. Sell ebooks. Number 40. DNA design firms. Number 41. Become a Google Analytics expert. Number 42. E-bike or e-car repair workshop. Number 43. Home care for the elderly. Number 44. Sell your crafts business. Number 45. Cyber security business. Number 46. Biometric sensor company. Number 47. Become a virtual assistant. Number 48. Online marketing business. Number 49. Mushroom farming business. And number 50. Skyscraper greenhouses. At last, you must need to write a business plan before you start a business. Watch this full video to write a business plan step by step.